Hello, my dear friends! Привет, друзья! Welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. My name is Lydia, I'm your Russian language teacher, and in this lesson we are going to talk about Russian names. Many English names have their equivalents in the Russian language, so let's learn how to say them in Russian. And our first name is John. In Russian, we say Ivan, Ivan. Peter, Pyotr, Pyotr. Paul, Pavel, Pavel. Eugene, Евгений, Евгений. Anthony, Антон, Антон. Matthew, Матвей, Матвей. Andrew, Андрей, Андрей. And some female names. Mary, Maria, Maria. Catherine, Екатерина, Екатерина. Elizabeth, Елизавета, Елизавета. Julia, Юлия, Юлия. Helen, Елена, Елена. Lydia, Lydia, Lydia. Margaret, Margarita, Margarita. Do you want to know how to write your name in Russian? Write it in the comments below and I will write it for you in Russian. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Russian Voice Online School channel and see you soon at our next Russian lessons.